She's pushing, so we think she's getting ready to have the second puppy. And the massage. Come on, let's get a massage while you're doing it. That's a good girl. Get a massage. And we tried moving her back down to the swim pool, and she literally, yep, she's pushing. She's pushing. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That tail always curls when she's pushing. Yeah, lay down. Let's do a massage. It's okay. You're doing good. Yeah, I know. We'll rub your belly. It's okay. You got this. Oh, he's drinking. Look at him. Don't push him off of there, baby. Don't push him off of there. You're good. Let's relax. Let's relax while we got the new puppies, the next puppy coming. Let's relax. Let's relax. I don't know if I'm talking to her or talking to myself. That one's got lots of colors. There he is. She pushed him out. Oh, he looks like his dad.
Yep.
Oh, he looks like his dad. Good girl.
Grab it out of the blanket. We can save this one.
Good girl. Yeah. Oh my God, he looks just like Dad. So Indi has decided to have her puppies on my couch. And so she's got two now. You're doing so good, baby girl. We got a black one, and then we have, what color coat is that? Would that be a blue merle? We got a blue merle one. Oh, look at him.
Blue Merle whoops.
50.